Hey everyone, I hope you're getting ready for a great holiday. I do want to show you a video, and let me say right up front, I'm sponsored by these guys, but I really like the products, and that's 67 Designs. So I was flying with Brant, and we were in my 210 Lola, and he asked about the iPad holder that I was using. If you want a great gift idea for the pilot in your life, or for you if you're a pilot, this iPad holder is amazing, and you can use it in your car and wherever. It's just wonderful. So I'll put a link in the description below to this great product, but check this out.
Mount is that? This is 67 Designs. I've got an existing ball that was already here with the plane. So I bought one of their oversized clamps to clamp in. Then I've got the suction cup mount up here from my iPhone. They're all magnets, they're very strong magnets. So I can throw it right there and throw it. There's nothing happening here. I just pull out. So, I mean, like, what do you...
What's yours? Suction mount stick, because I had those before, but I mean, mine kept falling off. But then I went to a yoke mount on mine, but I got this. It's a pivot, but I like it because I just clip it on and you can clip it off like that. But I lose.
Yeah. Okay. So look how hard it is. I'm trying to pull that off. It just takes a lot of power, and I can pivot it over as much as I want like that. So
I like how your pin is on that.
Yeah, so I don't lose my pin.
Like I hit mine like that and it falls off. That's the problem that I'm having with this, is that you can take this off, but when it's in the plane, I seem to knock the pin. I really like how that's held. I mean, because you're not going to lose that.
And it locks in. So I don't know what 67 Designs has done. The team there, they did something, and it kind of locks in. Like, hold it upside down.
Still charges the pin.
Yeah, still charges the pin. Look, that pin's not going anywhere.
I like that. I think I'll get one of those. I mean, I like the convenience of this, but
yeah, I mean, it's a good case. It's just, and also this is lighter.
Yeah, let me feel that. That's like half the weight.
Yeah. Yeah, so, I mean, the engineers there designed a very lightweight, I mean, with this magnet, it's very strong. I can hit it as much as I want. It's not going anywhere.
I just like the pencil is the best design, because I lose mine all the time.
So the pencil alone, $70, $80 a whack.
I've lost two.
So $160, yeah, it's a lot of money. As a matter of fact, there was a time when I was over there, because of the plug and everything, I'd actually, when I'm instructing, I'm over there with it upside down, like that. And now I'm pulling the pin from below, using my pin as a pointer to the student, and then I can just shove it back up there. It's not going anywhere.
Yeah, and this has got kind of like a clip here to keep it in, huh?
Yeah, to keep the iPad from falling out. So, I mean, the versatility of this and how lightweight. Now, one thing that I do want to keep people in mind, this stuff is really high quality. You're not, if money's your deal, go buy a cheaper product.
I don't know what that runs, but this wasn't cheap. I mean,
yeah,
I don't know, $80, $90.
This might be more, but it's worth it. And I mean, I jokingly call 67 Designs the best tugs of mounts, because they're all made U.S. I mean, they handcraft them, they make them. There's 22 touches with a hand goes on it. They're not importing cheap foreign stuff and slapping their logo on it. They're making it in the U.S., giving jobs and all that kind of stuff. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive, but to me, it's worth it. Especially if you're paying $80 a pop for a pen that you lose.
Well, I've gone through like 3 or 4 different iterations of iPad mounts, and I found I either knocked the pin off of the last 2 that I had, but then the one before that I had wouldn't charge the way that it was set up. So I went to the knee pad because it's reliable that I can and right. But now I'm trying to convert to where I can use kind of digitally the pin. so easily knocked off. Like, I'll have it in the flight bag or something, I pull it out, and I just don't pay attention. And then I get up there, get set, and I'm like, my pin's gone.
And if you want a yoke mount, they have a clamp that'll work that actually has just got the patent on it, and it's much stronger than normal clamps that like some of the other major manufacturers are doing. And it'll clamp right there, get a small adapter, or arm, and the magnet, and you've got it right there, and it's going to work great. So now, you guys, this was just kind of, Brant pulled up this. I am sponsored by 67 Designs. So yes, I'm biased, but I really do like their stuff. I tell you what, in the link, I'll put a link to this iPad, and I'll put a link to the magnetic clamp with a clamp so that you can order it.
I'm going to order one.
Yeah, so I'll try to make it easy, so you just click that, you can go to it, and buy it. So.
For the adventurers, the thrill seekers, the ones finding joy in the journey. Drive, fly, or float. It's about more than just reaching your destination. It's about having the best equipment that enhances your journey. Like American-made 67 Designs phone and tablet mount. Designed here, made here, used all around the world. 67 Designs. 67D.com.